Hey guys, it's Matt. I just want to tell you quickly about the Asbury Revival and how you can have revival everywhere that you are. This Asbury Revival was great. It still is great. But what is this revival? Or I should say, who is revival? It's Jesus Christ in you and his first love of you. And how does he first love us? He loves us by first being in us and enjoying us so that we can enjoy him when he wakes us up to the reality that he is in us. And this is God's good pleasure to reveal his Son in us, or our Abba Father's good pleasure to reveal his Son Jesus in us through the power of the Holy Spirit. And this is not through anything that we do, but because he first loves us and loves to reveal himself to us, in us. Just like how the Apostle Paul said, it pleased God to reveal his Son in me, in the original language, in me, so that I might declare him in the nations. And so this Asbury Revival, or any revival in history, no matter what they were teaching, what was happening was Holy Spirit was pointing us to Christ within us. Holy Spirit was giving us the experience of Christ within us, causing us to believe that Christ is within us. And so you have revival in you, Jesus Christ in you. And he's first loving every person. And so everywhere we go, we can declare, like the Apostle Paul, Christ is in you. We can enjoy this revelation of God everywhere we go and share him with everyone as we see that he is in everyone. And we declare this reality to everyone and emanate this reality to everyone. Embody this reality of love, of Christ in us, first loving us, first enjoying us, all made in his image of union. This union of love with Abba and Holy Spirit and all mankind. Christ, all in and all. The revival himself.
No, you cannot lose my love, only the awareness of it. And it's a love that never fades. I don't have any off days. So come and go in my love, a love that's stronger than